ChatGPT helped me make these AI-generated Instagram images. Here's how. I need to create an engaging image for Instagram. I will use an AI image generator called MidJourney. I will provide you with my Instagram caption and a brief description of the image I want. You will provide me with 5 prompts for MidJourney. Your prompt should each include at least 4 descriptive keywords, as well as stating the time of day, type of camera, type of film, and post-processing techniques. Your responses should each include my brief description followed by your keywords separated by commas. Nothing else. Do you understand? ChatGPT understands, so it's time to give it the second prompt. Caption: time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Image: a young father enjoying time with his children. A few moments later, and ChatGPT has given us 5 prompts that we're going to take over to MidJourney. Let's start with this one. We're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into MidJourney. Now, MidJourney is not perfect. Sometimes you'll get 6-fingered hands or twisty arms, but for the most part it's fantastic, and you can always try again if it doesn't come out right the first time. These ones have come out pretty good, but let's try another one. Once again, we're just going to copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste it into MidJourney. These ones are incredible. They perfectly match the caption and the image that we were looking for. For more tips and to get access to our ChatGPT toolkit, just go ahead and check out our profile.